What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the most radical Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will go to the record for megapixels. The company is saving 200 megapixel sensor for the next generation of the flagship smartphone. Samsung Corporation has previously announced a new sensor for mobile devices. This sensor is not used in the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, but in the next Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, because Samsung is already working on it. The megapixel race is all about Samsung. It is this company that is at the forefront of those who begin to produce high-resolution image sensors, and it is she who has a 200 megapixel sensor in her portfolio. It is known that Xiaomi and Vivo are eyeing the record-breaking resolution sensor and want to install it in mid-range devices. But what's Samsung? This sensor will definitely be not offered in the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. In the new flagship, they decided to squeeze the maximum potential out of the 108 megapixel sensor. But in 2023, the Galaxy S23 Ultra may will get a 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP1 sensor. The flagship camera will allow you to shoot video in 4K and 8K format with a wide viewing angle. This prediction can be trusted because it was made by the well-known network informant ICE Universe, who has been accurate in his predictions more than once. ICE Universe is stated that Samsung has optimized the 108 megapixel sensor for 3 years, and the result is better year by year, which is better than replacing the sensor frequently. It is said that the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will adopt a 200 megapixel sensor for next year, and then it will be optimized for several years. Recall that the ISOCELL HP1 was introduced in September and became the world's first mobile camera sensor to offer a record resolution of 200 megapixels. The size of each pixel is 0.64 microns, and in normal mode, images with a resolution of 50 megapixels are produced. Pixel binding was implemented here, when 16 neighboring pixels are combined into one large 2.56 micron one, and this allows you to get high quality photos with a resolution of 12.5 megapixels in poor ambient lighting condition. ISOCELL HP1 is capable of recording 8K video at 30 fps and 4K video at 120 fps. So why the long wait until 2023? Getting a camera sensor created is just the start. Samsung needs to gear up its production line to make a lot of these little components and then work out the engineering required to incorporate the sensor into an actual smartphone. In our previous video, we already reported that the most futuristic Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will receive a waterfall screen curved on all 4 sides. Samsung Display already has the ability to mass produce such displays. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.